Someone named this the Death Notch. While I'm not sure I completely endorse that name, undeniably, it has earned its reputation as a breaker of taillights, mirrors, and bent panels, leaving a trail of automotive wreckage in its wake. Stay tuned to see what happened to us. If you follow along, you'll recognize Steve in his silver lifted JK on 40s, and also Nick in the red Gladiator with a 2-inch lift in 40s. New today is Devin. He just got this beautiful blue Jeep. I'm not sure the paint is even dry on it yet. The trail here is steep and rocky as it ascends precariously close to a 400 meter deep ravine, but at least it's open.
We're pretty high up.
Barb was right. We are so high we can see for miles, but we're not to the top yet. It was at this point that we parted ways. Nick wanted to check out a trail that, how will I say it, visited the custom pinstriper. So Steve and Devin took an alternate route, and we would meet up with them later. I really can't blame Devin for not following us. Those first couple stretches are the most painful.
The trail to your left, but it looks so grown in, I wouldn't even trust it.
If you're enjoying this content, don't forget to head on over and hit the like to let us know.
Tim, look straight ahead of us. Is that a trail over there? A path or a road? Or...
Oh,
You see it there? Yeah.
The cool thing about mountain wheeling is it's never flat and boring. It's gorgeous scenery and huge hills all day long.
Tim's taking his time because we don't have the windows in, and he throws bugs in at me. I guess he don't want to listen to me scream anymore. It's really bushy in here, isn't it?
Yeah, that's why I wanted to put the windows back in.
Yeah, maybe we should stop put them in.
I think I'll wait till it opens up a bit.
Like all the bugs?
Yeah. Once all the bugs are off the trees, then I'll put them in to hold them in for you.
Sure is pretty up there. I love it in the mountains. That mountain is so pretty over there, but I'm not sure the camera can pick it up. Oh, there he is waving. Look at him. I see you.
Of course, it's been a great no mud day till we get to this low spot.
Are you stuck?
Have I mentioned before how much I absolutely hate mud?
Look, our fan club is up there.
Peanut gallery. One last climb and we have met up with Steve and Devin. We'll stop here and decide where we're going next. But I'm pretty sure Nick has his sights set on a trail they didn't get through the other day.
I'm pretty sure you put the windows in so we wouldn't get any more bugs in the car. I'll do a little video for you to let you know how that worked out for you. Okay, bye, buddy.
What was it?
He was green. All right, so we're going with the red Jeep.
We're going with Nick.
The red Jeep. Here, brand new Gladiator with 5,000 kilometers are going in different trails so they don't get pinstripes. Sure glad it's not going to rain. Look at that blue sky.
Yeah, it's nice. Don't look up.
Oh my God, look. As soon as I said it, it started to rain. I told you we were going to get rain. Oh boy. Okay, he was on a bit of a lean.
Wow, did the skies ever open up. I'm sure we needed the rain, we just didn't need it right now. Heading down a trail neither of us had been on before. Man, it's raining hard. I don't want to get out.
You're right about this is a meadow and we were going into Muscat. Not good.
But another half K till they turned around.
Did it get worse after that?
Oh, the trail keeps going. I don't know what the hill looks like.
Well, if you want to turn around, just let me know.
Oh, I wanted him to push on.
We are almost to where Nick turned around last time. The rest of the trail after that is a complete unknown. The rain has stopped, but if these puddles are any indication of what lies ahead, I don't hold much hope that we will get through. The trail here has turned from dry to a series of deep ponds, linked one right after the other. Just a few meters after where they turned around, and we'll have our answer.
Some pretty big washout here.
As I expected, as soon as we started heading up the mountain, we encountered some really big technical washouts. The first one was innocent enough, but when we turned the corner, it was obvious that this section was going to push us to really concentrate on getting the correct line to make it through. The tree sticking in my window distracted me. I'm glad it broke so easy, but when I tried to continue on my line, I had lost sight of it and climbed the bank a bit too far. I knew that this could possibly get worse, even impassable ahead, but I can't help playing in these washouts. I believe they teach you a lot about the capabilities of your Jeep. Also, how to remain calm when things don't go according to plan. And believe me, when it comes to extreme off-road, things seldom go to plan. A second attempt with a bit of a bump at the end was needed to cleanly exit this one. As I drove away, I felt almost superhuman having cleared this obstacle. And now it's time for Nick to come through. Once again, he makes it look so easy. Just another day at the office. I would love to blame it on wheelbase, automatic, or even newfangled electronics. But I really know that he has soaked up a huge bunch of Steve's knowledge, added his own skill and adventurous attitude with just a pinch of NFG, and has become an amazing wheeler with the same desire to push the limits as me. We are going to get into a lot of trouble together, I can just tell. Watching him idle through this just brought me from super to subhuman ability. Oh well, off to the next spot. Hey guys, if you're not subscribed to the channel, do me a favor and hit the subscribe button. We're trying to hit 500 subs by the end of the year, and your help with this is greatly appreciated.
Yeah, that one tire just sunk right in there. These ruts are like 6 feet.
Oh. Well, I'm stood in the rut and this is how deep it is. It's to my head. Is he taking the bypass?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Normally I wouldn't say no, but these banks are very soft.
They sure are.
I decided with just two Jeeps, getting wedged badly in this 6-foot deep washout was a bad idea, and I headed for the bypass. It was a bit narrow for me, but a lot narrow for a Gladiator.
This would be pretty in the winter when all the snow on the branches.
Nick was using every millimeter to get his Jeep through, and sometimes just a little kiss off the trees.
think you're supposed to do that.
Sometimes, no amount of ability is able to beat pure physics. As Nick tried to get through this set of trees, it became clear that he was both too wide and long.
Now watch his back, stop, because you're back. And watch your mirror.
With my winch. I'll winch your ass end over. You can bring your front end down. Right?
His top is too close to the tree. Yeah, that's better. Oh, he's good on his driver's side.
Okay. Just go.
And is leaning him into the tree. Stop! Timmy's into the tree. Okay.
Okay, turn hard to your driver's side. Get around the next one. Down here there. How's your boss? It took some patience and ingenuity, but we eventually got him through unscathed. The further we go, the more difficult the obstacles become. I wonder what is next in store. We have been on this trail for hours. I was just starting to question how much farther we had to go and how long had Steve been waiting for us at the top when we popped out of the trees. Oh yeah. I think we got the hard stuff behind us. This drop is huge and steep. The view is great, but any mechanical failure could be catastrophic. Finally, we made it to the summit and met up with Steve and Devin. As always, in the mountains, the views are absolutely breathtaking. Because we took so long, Steve and Devin decided to head straight back to camp. Nick and I, we had a couple notches up our sleeves.
Today we're doing a trail, and I'm driving. Whee! And this is not going on video because I have dreadlocks in my hair.
Lots of times we film stuff that was never intended to be in the video. Then we get home and it's so funny it has to be included. That was one of those times. No, this wasn't the death notch, but it's coming up. This isn't it either, but it's definitely a fun washout. The essence of this experience lies in the overwhelming sense of accomplishment, coupled with the awe-inspiring views the mountains provide. Navigating the numerous obstacles was not just challenging, but enjoyable. Yet it is the profound peace and the joy of sharing these moments with exceptional friends that truly elevate the entire adventure. Finally, this is it, the one someone called a death notch. I think it's just a great place to play. Consequences be damned. Unfortunately, Nick gets caught with some consequences on this one. Just a sec. That sound wasn't good.
Watch it, hon. You might go there.
It's still. Oh!
Sometimes with the wheelbase it goes really well, or sometimes with the wheelbase you end up getting real tippy, real fast, and like, let's see here. Does it cover that?
Nick broke his taillight again, which tore the panel and maybe left a small dent or two. but he takes it all in stride. This is the reason he bought the Jeep.
Really? It's hard to tell because it's...
Yeah, it's smushed in there good though, eh? These fucking taillights are the worst.
And then in the winter I'll buy some of those traction boards.
And do what with them?
And like if I ever get myself in this